Right now, our Education Sentiment API is showing a sentiment score of plus 0.005, with a momentum drop of minus 0.353 over the last 24 hours. This is a significant shift from the historical baseline, indicating a potential easing of optimism around educational topics. This slight uptick in sentiment, coupled with the notable momentum decline, suggests a cautious market sentiment, something we rarely see in this sector. You could use this insight to inform your investment strategies or content creation around education, identifying areas where public sentiment may be shifting. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis that breaks down these nuances into clusters, giving you a detailed view of how sentiment is evolving. To dig deeper, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of this data together.